Hey there, curious minds, ready to dive into a world of extraordinary inventions you probably didn't know existed? Let's take a fascinating journey from A to Z. Buckle up, it's going to be quite the ride. A is for autonomous drone bees. Yes, you heard that right. These little robotic pollinators are designed to save our crops and flowers. Move over, James Bond gadgets. Nature's got some serious competition. B stands for bioprinting. Imagine printing organs and tissues just like you print documents. The future of medicine, ladies and gentlemen, is here. C is for cryonics, freezing bodies in hopes of future revival. It's not just a sci-fi fantasy. People are actually doing it. Definitely a cool way to cheat death. D for digital tattoos. These aren't your average ink. They can monitor your health, unlock doors, and even pay for your coffee. Talk about wearing your heart on your sleeve. Literally, E exoskeletons, giving us mere mortals superhuman strength. Think Iron Man, but for real. Finally, a way to carry all those groceries in one trip. F is for fusion energy, the holy grail of clean energy, harnessing the power of the sun on Earth. Who knew saving the planet could sound so futuristic? G, graphene, stronger than steel, thinner than paper. It's revolutionizing everything from electronics to medicine. Move over, Superman, there's a new hero in town. H is for holographic displays. Remember those sci-fi movies with floating screens? Well, they're real now. Your next video call might just be in 3D IoT, Internet of Things. Connecting everyday objects to the internet, your fridge can now text you when you're out of milk. Welcome to the future. J for jetpacks. Flying to work is no longer a dream. Just don't forget your parachute. K stands for kinetic energy recovery systems, transforming braking energy into power. It's like getting a bonus every time you hit the brakes. L, lab-grown meat, meat without the moo. Environmentally friendly and no animals harmed. The future of food is here and it's delicious. M is for mind-controlled prosthetics, bionic limbs controlled by your thoughts. Becoming a cyborg never felt so natural. N, nanobots, tiny robots that can swim through your bloodstream to deliver medicine. Talk about a microscopic army. O for OLED wallpaper. Your walls can now display anything from a tranquil forest to your favorite Netflix show. Redecorating just got a whole lot cooler. P, personal AI assistants. More than just Siri or Alexa. These AI can learn and adapt to your routines. Your very own Jarvis. Q is for quantum computing. It's the next big leap in computing power, solving problems in seconds that would take traditional computers millennia. Our robot companions, perfect for those who need a little extra help or just some company. The future of friendship is here. S for solar paint. Paint that harnesses solar energy. Imagine your house generating electricity just by being colorful. T, teleportation. Okay, we're not quite there yet, but quantum teleportation is making strides. Beam me up, Scotty. U for ultracapacitors. Charging your devices in seconds instead of hours. Speed and efficiency for the win. V, vertical farming, growing crops in skyscrapers within urban areas. Fresh produce minus the food miles. W is for wearable tech. From smartwatches to health monitors, the future is not just in your hands, it's on your wrist. X, xenotransplantation, transplanting animal organs into humans. The future of organ donation is looking bright. Y for ytterbium atomic clocks. The most accurate clocks ever made, perfect for those who never want to be late again. And finally, Z for zero gravity, 3D printing. Building tools and parts in space. The final frontier just got a lot more innovative. Thanks for tagging along on this alphabetical adventure. If you enjoyed this ride through the world of amazing inventions, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep those curious minds buzzing.